Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see what kind of information should we be posting on our Facebook page. So after we build out the page for our business, we have to look at the type of content which we can post on this. So the most relevant information, the first one which you can think of posting on your Facebook page can be your products and services. So whatever products and services which you are trying to sell on your website, on your business website, you can post about that and you can talk about that in your Facebook page as well. So you can go ahead and make an article about it, or you can paste the particular product page of your website on the Facebook page to drive traffic to your website. So for example, in our case that we had seen, the Facebook page which we had created was primarily for selling online courses. So what I can do is we can go to our website and pick a particular online course which we would like to paste on the Facebook page. Okay, so that we can do. So for example, this is my specific website on which I'm selling a Google Ads course. So I can go ahead and take the URL of this and put it on our Facebook page. But before we do all of this, the first thing which you should be doing is you should remove all these postings which we have done to make the Facebook page. The reason being, these are not going to add value to the page specifically. So you might as well go ahead and hide such post from the page. So for doing so, we can click on the three dots over here and we can go ahead and hide the page in this particular manner. As you can see, so what we are doing is we are primarily hiding the pages which are not going to add any value specifically and move it out completely in this particular manner. So now that we have hidden all the pages, now we can start posting the pages like a product and service page on our Facebook page. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we will take the landing page of our course and we can post it over here in this particular manner. So now we can talk about the course as well. Okay, rather than providing the URL, we can just talk about the course over here. In this particular manner, we can write about it. And then we can post it. So this becomes one of the type of content which we can post on our page, which showcases our business specifically, which we are trying to advertise over here. Okay, so this is one thing which we can do. Apart from this, the other thing can be blogs. So we can figure out what blogs can be there relevant to our business. We can search for it on Google and find out which are the best blogs written about our content, about our product and services, which also can be pasted on the Facebook page. Or else, if you have written your own blogs on your website, that can also go up on your Facebook page to drive traffic to your website. So people can read the blogs which have written, which showcases your understanding of your business, your product and services, and based on which they would possibly like to check out your website and come to your website and do business with you. So for decent blogs, what we can do is, in my case, since we are selling online courses, so I'm looking at blogs like Search Engine Land, okay, wherein I can find out blogs related to, let's say, I want to post about Google Ads again. So I can go to PPC, and let's say we're going to what is PPC. And here we can go ahead and check out some particular articles or blogs related to Google Ads specifically. Like in this case, we can use this particular article. And this we can now post on our Facebook page. So again, what we can do out here is we can go ahead and post on our page specifically. So here you can post the article, and now you can talk about what the article talks about, okay, in this particular manner. And you can post it on your page. So this can be another source of content or type of content which you should be considering posting on your Facebook page, which can tell with the customers about what kind of business you are into, what are you trying to serve as a service to them, and they can read this content and possibly like your content and would like to check out your website. So this can be another one. Another very good resource for blogs, which in my case, I can consider is Google Ads blog as well, where a lot of articles are written about Google Ads. So I can pick some articles from here as well. So in this particular manner. And which we can post out here. So as you can see, so this is how we are going to provide all the content on our Facebook page, which talks about our business and what we are trying to sell out here. The third type of content which you can consider again is going to be your competitor websites. So you can check out your competitors' Facebook pages and see what type of content are they posting. They have, and the competitors who have got a lot of likes and followers, those pages you can take some ideas from. And from there, you can build out some content which you can post on your Facebook page. Like in my case, since I'm selling online courses, so for me, competitors can be Udemy, Skillshare. So I can check out their Facebook page and see what kind of information are they posting on their pages. So for example, this is the Udemy page, which has like 7.1 million likes and 7.8 million followers. So here I can check out. So they are posting courses related to some Udemy instructors. So that is what they're posting over here. Again, there is some new instructor challenge going on, so which is what they're giving information about out here. And then there are some brand new courses which are getting added to their website. So they are trying to promote those courses as well. So majorly what we see is they're trying to promote different types of instructors, new courses, challenges, activities which they're doing on their website. So that is on Udemy. Similarly, if you go to Skillshare, which is another platform for online courses, here again, they're putting in certain videos related to Skillshare, some specifically of instructors talking about their content. And then again, they are trying to give some idea about instructors' content, what they are selling, even one-on-one sessions, which Skillshare has started doing. So which also is what they're promoting on their Facebook page. So primarily what they're doing here is they are these are like testimonials, or you can say these are the intros of instructors, videos which they have created, which they're posting on their Facebook page to talk more about what type of content is available on Skillshare to consume. So now that we understand how our competitors' Facebook pages are using their Facebook page and delivering content, now we can look in that particular manner and start uploading content similar to that. So in my case, I can look at courses related to different types of new courses which I'm coming up with, any activities which I do, which I can post on the Facebook page. And if I have any new instructors coming in, maybe they can talk about their courses in my Facebook page as well. So that can be the third type of content, guys, which we can upload on the page and promote our business. So this is going to be the way by which we are able to post different types of relevant content regarding our business on our Facebook page to get some likes and followers, and then attracting customers to our website, driving traffic to our website so that they can check out our website and do business with us. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand what type of content should be posted on our Facebook pages. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.